Okay, last but not least, in the software department, I know how to use the webcam that's built into my laptop because my actual camera overheated. Totally fine, no problem. I'll just use that. But anyway, so the last but not least piece of software I'm going to talk about while you launch your course, for your launching of your course, is Loom. And we're going to discuss that in this video. If you haven't been following along, we've been going through how to launch a course for free, right? I mean, I'm teaching you it for free. There's software that you need to do this, but it is the only business in the world, in my opinion, that has no cap, and you literally are in it for less than $500 a month total business cost in the beginning. And the profit potential is unlimited. And if you follow the strategy I give you here, I don't see how you won't be making more than your salary within a couple of months. And again, if you want to support us to continue doing this for free, I would love for you guys to use the affiliate links that are posted for the different pieces of software that I'm teaching you how to use. The last one is Loom, and it's a great software, especially for people that are not tech savvy. It allows you to record using any camera. It allows you to record your screen. Like you see, we use it for courses. We use it to help clients. A lot of things. So basically you hit new video, it'll pop up, it'll share your screen, record a video, save it as software on your computer. But at the end of the day, that is the easiest piece of camera software or recording software that I could possibly recommend. And of course, one thing we talked about a little bit is Unipro. I just want to drive this point home. This thing puts your Facebook profile on steroids. This is how you will blow up your business really, really quickly and create income almost immediately, is through using that. Of course, you need to take their training that they give you for free when you sign up on how to use it properly, and the etiquettes of using it so you don't actually end up falling on your face and it costing you money. So what's next, right? What's next? Basically, what's next is you're going to consume all of this content and you're going to ask me all the questions. You're going to ask my team all the questions in the Discord channel if you're there, okay? If you're on YouTube, and this is on YouTube for whatever reason, because I may post it on YouTube too, then you're going to ask in the comments. Again, this could be for literally any type of business ever. Like this, I catered it to nurses because I am trying to contribute into lowering the burnout rate for nurses overall. And the best way I know how is to show them that they have options when it comes down to income, rather than just taking on extra shifts and burning themselves out in a ridiculous fashion, causing, God forbid, deadly mistakes when they're taking care of their patients, and helping them actually get the passion back into their business or their patient care, because they're making an impact outside of the hospital, doing something they love and they already know. Right? You don't need to really learn anything new here other than use the software that I just showed you. And none of it is complicated. Anybody could do this. Like, it is very simplified software. I did not give you anything complicated. I did not hold anything back. I did not hold back any strategies. I did not hold back anything in terms of like gatekeeping, some type of information that you have to pay us for. This is all you need. This right here, what I just explained, is a 7-figure business. The strategy I just gave you, of course, if you've never made 7 figures, it's very difficult to get there. But of course, my goal is to get you to a cash flow point where you can hire us as your mentors, as your hands-on coaches, to help you build much faster, so you don't make the same mistakes we did as we grew to 7 and 8 figures, right? A business that's at 7 figures and 8 figures is very different structurally than a company that is at 6 figures or less. So I highly suggest, just like I do for myself, I do what I preach. I have coaches. I've always had coaches. Anytime I've had a gap is when I actually end up making massive mistakes. But my coaches nowadays are people that they literally own their own jets. Like, I'm the smallest fish in the room, which is always my goal, right? But when it comes down to helping you and empowering you, this is the best way I know how. And if you have any questions at all, again, my name is Hamza, and I will see you on the inside.